Hi everyone. Today I'm going to be talking about the advantages of a small club. When I was growing up, I always heard about my dad's club, a very small club in Kilkenny. There were only a few children in the area, and half of each team was my dad, his brothers, and cousins. All the stories were crazy, but there was a very strong bond between the players. They did everything together since they were very young. All my dad's memories are of the players from the club. I was in love with that idea, and when I was growing up, I realised that I will not have that same experience, and I was very jealous. But my own experience, I played for one of the biggest clubs in Ireland, and we certainly had a lot of success, but it wasn't the same experience. I saw most of the other girls just at training. Actually, the story to explain this the best is when I was at university. I started in Maynooth and I made friends with a girl who was in the other class in my primary school, Sinead. After 1 year spent together every day, going out every night with her and the whole group, we went on holiday with 3 other girls. We met a group of lads from Limerick, and as usual, we started talking about the GAA and so on. I was telling them my own experience of playing in the Féile with my home club. And then Sinead turns and says, "Oh, I was on that team too." Me. I don't think you were, Sinead, actually. No, I was. I played in the corner back. After 10 years of playing on the same team, I completely forgot that she was even there. So what does this show about a huge club and that bond that players can have? So here are 3 reasons why I think there's huge advantages to a small club. Number 1, that feeling that you are extremely important to the club. You are a big part and everyone knows each other outside the club in the community. It is a community that can help each other any day of the year. Bigger clubs don't have the same connection anymore. You might know the players and parents on your own team, but that's about it. Number 2, with a smaller club, each player gets more one-on-one time with the coaches. In a small club, all the managers try very hard to build relationships with all the players and their parents. They understand that every player is a contributor to the team and the club. Like my father's experience, every team is a family and best friends. Number 3, when there are 18 or 19 kids on one team, that gives each player a huge chance to get their own time on the field, to get the most improvement. Sometimes in a big club, there are too many players at one age and the players don't get enough game time. They can't see improvement and they don't feel they have a stake in being there. With correct numbers like ours, each player gets about 45-50 minutes on the pitch every game. Even for the stronger players, they have more opportunities to be leaders and improve their skills around the field. In the end, think about why they started to play the GAA. Number 1, to find new friends. In small clubs, there's lots of emphasis on each player and the role they play in their club, in their group. They wanted to start a new sport, maybe. This is the best place to find the right game time with coaches and the right coaching time, one-on-one time. And maybe they joined GAA because they wanted to be the best player in the country. In a small club, they will get this time. They will get more game time and there will be more emphasis on their leadership skills and them as players, as fully rounded players all over the pitch. So from my experience of hearing about young, smaller clubs and my experience of being in a huge club, I would vote for a small club any day of the week. Thanks for listening.